Dow Jones, news that changes market dynamics.
We can rank the news affecting DJIA in order of their impact, from most to least significant. U.S. economic data, non-farm payrolls, strengthening in the labor market is perceived as an indicator of economic growth and can have a positive effect on DJIA. Inflation data, CPI, PPI inflation affects companies' costs and consumer demand, indirectly impacting the index. Consumer Confidence Index, this data, reflecting consumers' spending tendencies, is an important leading indicator for DJIA. Federal Reserve, Fed, decisions and announcements. Interest rates. Fed's interest rate hike decisions are generally perceived as a threat to the profitability of companies in DJIA, which can create pressure. Monetary policy announcements. Statements from Fed officials can change market sentiment and perceptions about DJIA. Company performance news, earnings reports. Strong financial results from individual companies in DJIA can positively affect the overall performance of the index. Dividend and share buyback announcements. Announcements of dividend increases or share buybacks by large companies provide support for the index. Unexpected company news, bankruptcies, scandals, or management changes in large companies can have a strong impact on DJIA. Geopolitical and international developments, trade wars and tariffs. The U.S.'s trade relations with other countries are significant factors that can create pressure on DJIA. Geopolitical risks, fluctuations in energy prices, risks of war, and major political crises can negatively affect DJIA. Sectoral news and trends, industry and energy sector-specific news. Since DJIA includes energy and industrial companies, factors like oil prices and production efficiency are important. Financial sector data, the financial performance of major banks and macroeconomic policies affect the index. International economic data, global growth and supply chain developments. The overall economic situation in the world is critical for multinational companies in DJIA. Economic data from China and Europe. News about economic growth in China and Europe can affect revenue expectations for companies in DJIA. Other factors, U.S. debt ceiling discussions. Disputes regarding the U.S. debt ceiling can create market concerns and impact DJIA. Climate policies. The transition to green energy and related regulations can affect energy companies in DJIA. Since DJIA is viewed as a general barometer of the U.S. economy, the impact of news is generally more macro-scale compared to other indices. The factors affecting the index are based on both individual companies and the overall health of the sectors.